Hematuria. Introduction. Point to the urethra. Choose one of the following options. Correct. Greg has had pink urine for the past few days. It has been painful for him to urinate. Should Greg contact a healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Color changes in urine and painful urination can be signs of a problem. Greg should contact his healthcare provider. Hematuria can happen when the kidneys allow blood to leak into the urine. Select true or false. Correct. Exercise, blood clots, and cancer can cause kidneys to allow blood into the urine. There are also other causes of hematuria. Can anyone have hematuria? Select yes or no. Correct. Anyone can have hematuria, but some people are more likely to have it than others. Is hematuria always treated? Select yes or no. Correct. The treatment for hematuria depends on the cause. If no cause is found, hematuria will not be treated. Thank you for using Explain.